Good afternoon, class. How's your day? Well, it's good to hear that all of you are okay. Let's stand for the prayer. Before you take your seat, just look around and pick all the pieces of trash and put in trash can. Arrange your chair properly and then organize yourself. Please now you may take your seat. Alright, to check your attendance. See present once your name was called. Very good. I'm glad that all of you are present today. Now let us have a short recap with regards with our discussion last meeting. So, what is all about? Precisely. I'm so happy that you can still remember the topic last meeting. Before we proceed to our formal discussion, let us have an activity. You look the pictures on the board and identify the nationality of this person. You may choose if this either an Japanese, Chinese, Indian, Thailander, or a Filipino. Isn't clear? Okay, let's start. So what have you noticed, class, about our activity? Very good. It's all about the nationality of the person, where they lives, of depends of their species. Now, what do you think in our lesson for this afternoon? You're right. At the end of the lesson, a student should be able to. The first is known the different teaching methods preserved by teachers and school leaders to be effective of transversal competencies. And second, understanding the implication of having a different participating countries. And the third, demonstrate the teaching methods preserved by teachers and school leaders to be effective for transversal competencies using a table. Let's have another game. At this time, I will divide the class into two groups. Each group will select a leaders that will portray or accordingly to the words I will give to her or him. I will set a timer for each word to be guessed by the group members. The group who will guess correctly all the acted words will be the winner. This activity is good for 3 minutes only. I'm understood. Okay, so very good. Here are the words. To be guessed, computer aided activities. Second, the lectures by teachers. Third, field studies, and the last one is small group discussion. Okay, you may now start. So what have you observed about activity? So it's all about the teaching strategies used in different countries. Very good. So why do you think it's all important to know the different teaching methods, particularly in the different countries? That's right. And what do you think are the implications of certain teachers and the school leaders don't know the different methods of teaching? Precisely, their teaching will not be effective. Very good. So what have you learned something in our activity? Okay, very good. So now, class, let me discuss the teaching methods preserved by teachers and school leaders to be effective of transversal competencies used by different participating countries. But before that, let us define first what is transversal competencies. The transversal competencies is comprised of the certain skills, knowledge, values, and attitudes that are being increasingly emphasized as essential for effective participation and navigation in one's personal and work life in the current time. So now, study of let's now go to the different countries on what are their teaching methods, what they use for them are effective their teaching and learning aspect. So let's now tackle the Japan. The Japan lectures are still common practice in Japan. Teachers recognize the effectiveness of individual presentation and the group work in developing transversal competencies. Survey respondents consider group activities 69% as a very effective learning activity, followed by the individual works presentation 53% and field studies 45%. So that is in Japan. So in India, teachers in both private and public schools felt that all of the categories listing extra particular activities, field studies, computer, aided activities, individual projects, and presentation, and lectures by teachers were rather effective. So it is good for them that all of the teachers' strategies are effective to them. So some now is in Shanghai. In Shanghai or China, both principals and teachers feel the extracurricular and group projects are the best method to instill transversal competencies into student learning experience. In Thailand, the surveyed administrators indicated the group's projects, discussion and presentation, and field studies were effective methods of teaching. So that is in Thailand. So here in the Philippines, the teachers rank group project first, followed by small group discussion and computers aided activities. Interestingly, field studies, although considered to some extent, were ranked in the last position. So that is in the Philippines or here in the Philippines. Okay, for your last activity, I will be going to give you a box containing a piece of the paper with the questions as I play the music. You will pass the box to your classmates behind you until music. Suppose anyone who hold the box after the music stop. She should be pick up one piece of paper and must answer it. This activity is good for 3 minutes. Is it clear? Okay, I will now play the music. So have you learned something from our discussion today? Very good. Now, get one half sheet of paper and the number in 1 to 10. 1 to 5 is identification and 6 to 10 enumeration. So you may identify what is teaching methods used after a read of the sentence. And the enumeration, you may enumerate the different countries that mentioned recently and what have you learned in the teaching strategies that they use in teaching. I'm understood, class. You may now start the answering your question. Okay, for your assignment, surf in the internet our teaching preserved by teachers and school leaders. Write in A4 size on bond paper. Any clarification? Violent reaction? So none. That's all for today. Have a good day and a goodbye, and see you next meeting.